Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the hotels in New Kingston, and these are some of the top hotels in Kingston. So on the right is a Spanish Port Hotel. There you can see it. So if you're a visitor and you need to come to Jamaica to do business, chances are you're going to stay at one of these hotels in New Kingston. Okay, so we were on St. Lucia Avenue. We are now on Tobago Avenue heading towards Knutsford Boulevard. Okay, so the top hotels in New Kingston are the Spanish Port Hotel that we just passed, the Courtney Hotel, the Pegasus Hotel, and the Hyatt Hotel, and then AC Hotel. So we just looked at the Spanish Port Hotel, and we're going down to look at the other three now, and then we look at the AC Hotel after. So this is Knutsford Boulevard. And some of the tallest buildings, not only in Jamaica but in New Kingston, are actually the hotels. For instance, the tallest building in Jamaica is the Pegasus Hotel. The fourth tallest building in Jamaica is actually the Wyndham Hotel. And the Courtney is in the top 20. I don't remember what number it is, but it's probably in the top 10, but definitely in the top 20. You can see New Kingston is a very busy place in the week. It's like a major business hub for Jamaica. And of course, indiscipline, let's not go there. Alright, so we're heading down to look at the other hotels now. And they're actually right beside each other. Same area. So now this is the Wyndham Hotel, this building, but it's actually closed because it was bought out by the Courtney Group and it's being renovated to open back up under the Courtney name. But that white building is the fourth tallest building in Jamaica. Now on the left, that's the Courtney Hotel. We're going to get a better view of these hotels because we're driving. This is a driving tour. And then that blue building on the left now is the Pegasus Hotel, and that is the tallest building in Jamaica. It's 17 floors. Okay, here's the entrance to the Courtney Hotel. So let's just drive through so you can see what the hotel looks like. Okay, here we're going to get a very nice view of the Wyndham, and you can see the properties are right beside each other. So it's no problem joining them into one. So that's the Wyndham, and that's the fourth tallest building in Jamaica. But as we said, it's no longer, it's closed now because it's being renovated to open back up as a part of the Courtney Hotel. Okay. So this is the main entrance to the Courtney. Okay, so over here now is a very nice view of the Pegasus Hotel, and that's the tallest building in Jamaica. Okay, so across the road now is the Courtyard Marriott. Not sure why I call it the Hyatt. It's the Courtyard Marriott. Actually, we're just going to take a quick spin through the Pegasus so you can see what it looks like, and then we go down to the Courtyard Marriott. Alright, so this is the Pegasus Hotel. And these hotels are large in terms of the size of hotels in Kingston, but when you get to the north coast of Jamaica, you find even larger hotels. Okay, so there's a nice view of the Wyndham. Alright, so straight ahead now is a Courtyard Marriott. This is a very nice view. Alright, so you're going to see how close the hotels are now. So there's the Pegasus. We just looked at the Marriott. There's the Pegasus, and then there's the Courtly, and then there's the Wyndham. So these four hotels are very close to each other. And then the video started with the Spanish Court Hotel. Now there's one hotel, but I don't think we're going to get to it in this video. It's the AC Hotel, but we're going to drive up there and take a tour depending on what the traffic is like. That one is on Lady Musgrave Road, which is a little out of New Kingston. So yeah, the traffic isn't going to allow us to get there in this video, but we'll make another video with that hotel. Actually, we actually have videos up of that hotel, so you can search for it as well. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.